Hi, sound engineers everywhere. Today, I want to invite you to learn about microphone feedback. What is microphone feedback? Its types, causes, and how to fix it. This sound is often referred to as microphone feedback. This sound is often called microphone feedback. This occurs when a sound at a certain frequency is emitted by a speaker and is eventually picked up again by a microphone sensitive to that frequency, resulting in a repetition. Identify this type of feedback sound based on its frequency. This will make it easier for you to troubleshoot this problem. The type of feedback sound is in the bass, mid-range, or high frequencies. How do you fix this microphone feedback issue? First, adjust the gain on the mixer. This is often called finding the gain before feedback. The goal is to first determine the microphone sensitivity to specific frequencies emitted by the speakers during sound check. Then, test the microphone with several possible nearby speakers. Second, understand the microphone's polar pattern and speaker placement. Understanding a microphone's polar pattern is crucial because it allows us to determine the correct microphone position relative to the speaker. Third, parametric equalizer. After completing the 2 points above, it's time to adjust and improve the sound captured by the microphone by adjusting the input parametric equalizer on the mixer. Or you can also adjust the equalizer on the speaker output by cutting frequencies that cause feedback. The goal is to ensure clear and clean sound. Additional tips and tricks for dealing with feedback for mic users. But first, don't forget to subscribe and follow this YouTube channel to learn about other audio issues. Okay, here are some tips and tricks for mic users. 1. Use the dynamic microphone as close to the sound source as possible. 2. Move away from / avoid positioning the speaker directly opposite the mic. I hope this short video helps. Good luck, and don't give up.